Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Honda CRV. The compact crossover SUV segment is fiercely competitive, but the 2026 Honda CRV continues to set the bar high. With its sleek design, innovative features, and a balanced blend of power and efficiency, this SUV has cemented its spot as a favorite among drivers seeking practicality without compromising on performance. Compact crossovers are popular for their practicality, offering spacious seating, good fuel efficiency, and ease of maneuverability in urban settings. The 2026 Honda CRV, however, takes it a step further by combining these traits with dynamic handling and thoughtful design. With a choice between front-wheel and all-wheel drive, and a 190 horsepower turbocharged engine, the CRV delivers a confident driving experience. While the non-hybrid version impresses with its capability, Honda also offers a 204 horsepower hybrid variant for those seeking eco-friendly performance. The interior of the 2026 CRV is a testament to Honda's commitment to quality and comfort. Modern dash design. The dashboard features a stylish honeycomb textured insert that elegantly conceals the air vents. A partially digital gauge cluster includes an analog speedometer and a customizable 7.0-inch display, keeping essential driving information easily accessible. Comfort and convenience. Front seats are ergonomically designed to reduce driver fatigue, making long journeys a breeze. Passengers in the rear benefit from reclining seats and an extra 0.6 inches of legroom compared to previous models. Cargo space galore. With 39 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and an adjustable load floor, the CRV offers ample storage for weekend getaways or daily errands. Behind the CRV's upright grille is a standard 190 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder. It pairs with a CVT and either front or all-wheel drive. This setup is standard on the LX, EX, and EXL models. Every CRV has hill descent control that helps modulate the compact SUV's speed on steep or slippery declines when traveling at low speeds. Most models are fitted with a set of 18-inch wheels. The new CRV provides a smooth ride and enough moxie to avoid being boring. The price of the 2026 Honda CRV starts at $31,450 and goes up to $36,350 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.